Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install erxes XOS on Ubuntu server. Okay, I have Linux server created with this IP address. Also I pointed youtube.erxes.io domain to that server, which means I'm already here in documentation. Let's begin. Okay, first we need to create install.sh file in our server. To do that, you can use Vim or Nano, anything. I'm going to use Vim this time. Paste and save. Now we need to make this install.sh file to executable. Okay, now install.sh file is executable. To execute this, you need to enter the full name and press enter. Installing process might take a while if your server connection is slow. If your connection is fast, it won't take long, obviously. So okay, now step 2 is done. Proceed to next. You need to relog into your server. Okay, we logged in. Now let's start erxes project. By doing that, we need this command. We need to enter full URL, not just youtube.erxes.io. We need socket as well, so we need to put everything. erxes.io. It will generate required files like configs.json, package.json, nginx config, Docker Compose YAMLs for both application and database services. Now you can see we have erxes directory created. Go into that. You can see where are you in your server by pwd command. Yeah, we are here. Now beware, we need to change package.json's erxes package version to latest version, which you can find in here. The current version is this one. Now we did package.json. And we need to change erxes. And after that, we need to run npm install command. Okay. Let's proceed. Now we need to initiate Docker swarm by this command, paste. Okay, I previously joined Docker swarm, so I don't need to do that again. Now we need to create a Docker network called erxes. Okay. Now we have erxes network created under swarm. Let's proceed. Now we need to start all erxes database services. Redis, Mongo, and RabbitMQ. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's now creating. Okay, so now my all database related services are created and running. Now we need to enter Mongo container. In order to enter Mongo container, you need to find Mongo container name. To do that, you can use this command to get the Mongo name. Our Mongo container name is this. Now we need to enter by following command: docker exec -it, now name, and bash. Now we are entered the Mongo container. Now we need to enter a Mongo shell. To do that, we need Mongo username and password. It's all in configs.json file. As you can see here, we have erxes, a username called erxes, and also password for this Mongo container is this. Now we need this. Now let's enter Mongo shell. Username is erxes and password is this one. We are in Mongo shell, and let's initiate replication set. To do that, rs.initiate, and you need to press enter 5 times. The Mongo shell changes to primary. Okay, I'll go now exit from Mongo shell back to terminal. Now we need to create localhost directory for our UIs. Let's start our erxes UIs and also the all necessary services. It will download all UIs from Amazon S3 service, so make sure your server free to connect to Amazon S3 or Amazon traffic ports. Okay, now all of our services are created, and the one thing is the erxes gateway needs to be start after all other services. So let's see. We don't need this one now. So as you can see here, gateway is not up yet. Let's see it by servers. Yeah, gateway is not ready, so we need to wait a little more. Let's see again. Okay, our erxes gateway, we have 2 gateway for performance. It's now in healthy stats. Let's proceed. Now we need to move Nginx conf file to Nginx sites enabled path. It's already in here, as you can see. So all we need to is sudo nv nginx conf. Okay. If this doesn't work, we have full configuration, Nginx configuration in here. You can use this one. In here, our domain is already added and all looks good. Let's succeed. Now let's test Nginx configuration. Okay, it says successful. Now we need to generate our certificate for youtube.erxes.io. To do that, sudo certbot and enter. So you need to enter your email address for certbot. Yes. No. You can press enter or type 1 and enter. Okay. Now, as you can see, our certificates are generated, and okay, now all set. Let's check out our erxes. Yeah, now all set. Now all you need to is create admin account and enjoy our product. So so yeah, that's it. If you have any trouble, you guys can connect us through our Discord and our GitHub. All informations are in our main erxes.io website. Also, please give us some star. Thanks for watching.